how to log in into Etapp Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, if you are on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL type in Etapp Employee Login, then press enter on your keyboard. Now you will be taken to this interface, then head over to the first link on your interface that says Employee Login. Click on that. Now you will be directly taken into login page. So, first of all, you have to enter your valid user ID associated with your account. And onto that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Click on that. After that, you have to follow some screen instructions. Then that's gonna help you recover your password. Once you're done typing in your user ID and password, click on login button and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. That's all for today's tutorial I'm going to show you. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.